The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pottinger.
Better go over. This is William's height. I just met an elder. He has prostate cancer. I told him about the water pressure. This is William's height. This is on our house drive. Alright, no more cussing out the people then. Let's get back to it. So that is it. The reason why I don't see enough people around me, they did me bad. Bad. But keep moving anyway, right? Thank you guys for your support. Go to JamaicaGoodLife.com, be a member. You go there, what does member do? Look at the nice neighborhood. Membership gives you contacts to good lawyers, contacts to people with yam and farming, contacts to people where we meet along the way. Membership give you a longer conversation with me. You'll learn about safety. You become a member. Say, Randy, advise me on safety. How do you become a member? Or JamaicaGoodLife.com, or you can call me. Why do you need to become a member? It helps me keep the program going. Why do we need to support? Because the more you support, the more I will show you the positive sides of Jamaica. That's the purpose of this program. Now look at these homes. Washington Heights. And this is on House Drive. The Cousin Show. If this country is not livable, look at the beauty. You know what is? Aliyah, pick up yourself. People. We're leaving now. What are you doing? You have no money you can lend me? No? I'm borrow alone me a look. How me a give money when me a look money? And a nice car. It's a whole piece of higher.
Why is it?
You know, see how it look? Dirty.
How do you use it in washroom?
This true?
Because here's like I'm walking and look at the
How far you for that? You want me to bring you?
no.
You want me to bring you?
Why not? It's on hot.
Alright, let me bring you. Come, wait there. Let me reverse. Boy, me say me such a good Samaritan. You see? Now bring a lady now. See people? My name is Randy Pottinger from Jamaica good life. Me pick up people from the street for free. Let me say a lady I want, me say a lady where you going. Alright, my sis. Alright, my dear.
I've never seen it over
here before.
I'm from YouTube, a channel called Jamaica Good Life.
That's weird.
That's YouTube on the internet.
Okay.
What I do, I drive around and I look for big house to make Jamaica look positive to the people abroad. Because with the crime coming in, they're saying Jamaica is unlivable. So my show shows them, listen up, crime. Now you live around here? You take a ride. So is it a lot of crime in Jamaica? Is it a place you can't live? What is the story?
There's a lot of crime there, but we just can't live. Because my thing is this, people don't just get up and kill us like that.
People don't just get up and kill it right now.
They always be there reason for something. And if you check it out,
Yeah. If you
you check it out, you will see because you do me something, me come back, me kill you. If me and one, nobody don't know me. Me live over here almost a year. Go in and go out. Me don't hear no gunshot. Me don't see nobody kill this person live around here.
Yeah.
You understand? And it depends on where you live.
So it's best not to live in the place where the careless people live. So it is livable.
Of course, you have coming from a place in banana ground. And
How far that's enough? High up in the air.
right. Just go ahead and make cowork and put some food. And a lot of farmer is there. And they just come and get something to eat and they sit down and they bone them and they relax inside before their big show start tonight. So people live there and they don't live in fear because they go about their daily business.
Yeah.
So there's places in Jamaica.
Right, so now, doing this journey by myself, we get to talk to the audience and we get to explore different places. So I get to meet people and talk to them. We love doing the program, man. It's a pleasure. We want to go up there, so no, we want to go up there, so we can go up there, so. Yeah, man. So basically, we saw some nice homes today. We met a nice lady. She said, "I'm minding the business. I'm living the life." It was a pleasure. So in Manchester, it's on the mountain, and we're going back to Mandeville way. Thank you for listening to my rant. It's yours truly, Randy House Drive. Meow, 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 meow. Want to get some food right now. My pre-diabetes are act up after me eat the guava. Boy, I want to pray for me that I've been health. Drink some water and I can't want to drink it. But yeah, man, it's a pleasure. Every day I go drive and find new places and drive out the things. So when I go, come talk like some know you. So I check out somewhere new, random. I get to know places. Some safety tips for you in Jamaica. Call to people. Yeah. Yes, I. Call to people, man. Your car can broke down. Don't pass people and not yell them up. It's a respecting of Jamaica. No, I could say what we don't know. I go anywhere now. You know, I don't know what that place is name. But there's somebody special we're gonna meet on this mission today. I could feel the spirit. Look under here. Iview Basic School. Learning Center. Okay. Yes, Father. And boy, he's a sleeping police. Wake up for me. Right or left, people. I could take a right. My Land Rover up here. So this is a mountain top. I wonder where this goes. Alright, look on the view now. What else on here? Oh, you see that? Okay. Wow. Look at this. Yes. Let's get it out close. Maybe our name Rose. Yeah, sometimes people say, Randy, I like it when you drive by yourself. And the people in the car, you crap me out. Alright, the house is around Bill, but then down the gate. What a thing. Wow. Look on this neighborhood there. How is this? I never know this neighborhood there. So look on the mountain then. What a place on name. That's the thing about Jamaica, kind of one turn off and you're gone into a whole different world. Something is for sale coming up, people. We're coming at the for sale sign. Look on this now. This is September Homes, Real Estate, Sale Association. Alright, so we can do that. Find out about this when I come to Jamaica Drive. Call upon it. Land is this here, look at 0 residential lots. Sale Association. Number there. You don't have to do. I don't know much about the area. But it doesn't matter where in Jamaica. Look on the view, master. So if you buy that piece of land there, look where you go. Look on there. Look where you look on there. Look on the land. Look on the view. Talk that damn foolishness. We live in a foreign too long in a zoo. But let me not say nothing impolite. Because impolite is not right. So this is a neighborhood I know about. But me I drive out, I scout out, and I see what is available in this beautiful country. If I can't find out nothing. Look at the view, people. This is Randy Drive Time, just checking out the views. Now me have 2 fans of Florida. Big up yourself, fireman. And you and your lady, 5 youths. It was a pleasure talking to you. You tell me you watched the show for so long. And the conversation we had made me feel good. That my fans, them were there with me for so long. And see the journey that I've been on. Boy! What a life, sir. Look on Jamaica, good life. Bird watching herself. Go on some food right now. Alright, I remember seeing this road once, you know. Okay. And this is look at the roads. The thing about Jamaica, there's so many different places and crevices you can find. see how it's sunny everywhere you go. You see? That's a different way to come down. Same place. No, me as a man, I don't hang out at a bar, you know. No. There we go. Beautiful trees, beautiful view. Welcome to Russell Place Gardens. Just move around. So now I want to take a drive to Portland soon. So I should make a run to Portland soon. To Royal Flats is a place I know very well. So we covered a lot of grounds today. Looking at different homes. This ends our drive time for today. That was a good vibration. Meet some people and then I'll let you go. Take care of yourself. On drive time again, I saw another place I just turned off. We're gonna view some more homes. And what is this neighborhood called? One little turn off, you know, and up here everywhere you look. In a Mandeville, one little turn off. Jeez, man, I'm telling you now. Look at this. These places are. This is Mount Nelson Drive. Wow. You see how much time I pass? Yes, I'm in no, look at people. Look at these homes. It's crazy in Jamaica, especially crazy in Mandeville. So now, if 10 or 15 years ago people say, you know, I want to buy a piece of land up here, and you don't do it. See what's happening here? Look at these places. That's an apartment. Wow. say something wrong with YouTube. Something wrong with the people. Them nah showing this kind of life. So how come we don't see this? I'm sorry for the movements of the camera, but what the heck? Oh, look at this beautiful house. Am I going in somebody's yard?
Hawkeye wanting to take on the time and look at this house. This is why we do this program. Beautiful flowers. This is Jamaica. Manchester, Mandeville. This is view. Look at hill view. This journey, look at this house, look at that one up there. So along this journey, what you're saying to me is that all these people have ran away from their homes. That's what you're saying. That's Jamaica good life. Gated communities. Me not tell like the video. Me say like it. Learn how to like the video then. We get 100 likes in 5 years. Really? 5 years the same 100 people like the video. Sometimes I don't really care about like and all of them things because I do it for the likes. I do it for the love. So if you love it, I like it. Look, there's Miss Bravo. That's how it go. People can't follow up on the head of things. But life is in Jamaica. Land of wood and water. People still plant them yam in front of them mansion. Look at that song, look at there, oh dear. Relator big up yourself, like relator say, oh dear. Make me go look for some house, they're expensive. Oh dear, oh dear. So these are apartment buildings now. I can rent a place here. So, now if I go rent a place, that's the one that I go to. This place is called Clifton Manor Apartments. I can see if I can get a phone number. SMS. I Google it. And now come out. Okay. So these are apartment buildings. So you can check that out if you want to stay in Mandeville for a while. Clifton Manor Apartments. There is the view, my people. Whoa! Turn up on it. I have a dream that one day I will live on top of the mountains. Look. People, look at this. This. Look at this country. Look at these houses. Clifton, so this is Clifton. Clifton Heights or something. Look at this country. know, people say, well, Randy, where's everybody? Well, it's work time. I'm in the middle of the day. What do you expect? Look at this house, huh? Look at these houses. Wow. Look, I'm just so relaxed outside. Wow, nice windows. Let's continue on this journey, shall we? Yes, we shall. I say I want to go turn off, you know. And everywhere me turn, in a Mandeville, I pay my journey. This, you wouldn't believe me. You would not believe me. People, I would not believe me. People could be abroad. Now, what is this here? Rock gardens. What's it? You're like elder home, so this is a home. Yes, baby. Boy, Janet X, big up yourself. Listen, Clifton Way. I knew nothing about these places. Look on the outside, too. What did you come by? Look at these places. And how so the people are at work. This is middle of the day. People, this is Mandeville. Okay? This is Jamaica. Hello. This is Jamaica. Over here you don't need air conditioner, okay? This is blowing my mind. Blowing my mind. This is Jamaica. This is your Jamaica I want to talk about every single day. This is Jamaica. So now right or left? And driver's take left. Come on, take a look at that. Zoom. Wow, look at that. Look at it good. Take it in. Take it in. That is Jamaica. Look at that. Take it in good. Prove my point. Jamaica have different sides to it.
You just have to alright, where are we now? Wait a minute. I know this place here. I always pass here. Okay, now I know what's up there. So sometimes in life you see a little road, turn off and check it out. So sometimes it's there. Did I go down there? I don't need to go over there. There's another neighborhood I'm gonna bring you today. We're heading back Patrick Way. There's a neighborhood I want to bring you to. So today was wow. Subscribe to the channel, like it, buy the t-shirt, call me. Sir Randy, I appreciate you. You give me perspective, Randy. Me thank you for doing what you do. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn off here so we look past on dirty house again. Look here, the Queen of Face apartments. Boom. Eh? Apartments. Did I ever come around here? The answer is no. No. Look this up. Look there. Go find there. Look who now. Look there. A dead end. Our apartment. A big house to your right. See it. No, look at the body for under the yard. But what a thing, sir. People always are cool. You know, people that make it hard. So, all I'm saying is, don't talk too quick about Jamaica, missus. Look here. My car's nothing more, you know. Kuya. Take a left. Or should we go? Let's take a basically, that's what you're dealing with. Let's open up the house there. That's what you're dealing with. We're gonna take a right. Thank you, car. I hope you're enjoying this view wherever you are. UK, big up on yourself. Jamaica, good life, always on the move. And Miss Bravo, I love you now. Milo, take it nice, take care of yourself. So, I proved my point again, my friends. This is Clover Drive. That life is but a dream. La da da da. So we're going to another drive-through. here. So I've covered a lot of ground so far, and kind of giving you a chance to see what Mandeville looks like. And I want to thank you for watching the program. The reason why I like Mandeville even more than Montego Bay is no AC is necessary. Montego Bay hot, you have to always use your AC. I like Mandeville, is unique because the mosquito count is not that high. It's a lot of mountains, so if we have a flood, some other thing run off. Just amazing. So now what is the place we're looking to? For sale. Going to Knott's Patrick. Alright. Alright, on that avenue there, we have to turn down avenue now, fair. Another one over there. So we're gonna have to turn up our road soon. So we have different places now, so I know we have to take a right. So right here. Right over there. One time I went up some beautiful. It's a 2 bedrooms, 22,000. That's not bad. People, I hope you appreciate this. This drive time is brought to you by Shut Your Mouth and Mind Your Business. We're coming near NCU. That's the Scotia Bank. Good thing about Knott's Patrick, you have a private little Scotia Bank, so you don't have to go in the city. Right? And that's the NCU University. So around here, you have a little bit of class and stuff, you know? So now, this is Cedar Grove. Housing. Let's do Cedar Grove. Let's check it out. Cedar Way. Alright, the Cedar Grove now. So we're going to check out Cedar Grove. So there's Cedar Grove, Cedar Heights, Cedar Close. Now let's go to Cedar Heights. Oh boy. As you can see, everywhere you turn, Cedar Way. So that's Cedar Way. Let's keep going to Cedar Heights. God, way out there with that. Sorry for the dirty car window then. You see? Like it, like the video, like it, like it. So this is Cedar Grove Heights. Look at that house on top of it. So people are living. Don't ask me, but they're living. So this is probably one of the first dog, watch yourself. So now let's go to right to our left. Let's take see the way. So these are kind of one of the original scheme, you know. So them build them probably a small house before those tiny homes. Then they expand on it. Normally that's what people do. And now I'm gonna go. That was Cedar. So those were like the original homes. And then Cedar closed. Let's go over here and see what's going on. Look at this. Wow. Dead end. So we're done with Cedar Heights and Cedar Groves. Now we exit. Let's see the way. So we got a chance to see this. Trucks, hoses can drive the car. So that's Cedar Grove hoses. Alright, now let's go on the Heights. This is stuff for sale around here. Alright, now this is where I wanted to take you. Over here, it's pretty nice. I grow one of them pine trees there, you know. More of a pine tree, them kind of tree there. Wow. Apartments, this is. All right, turn left. Let's go. Okay. Wow. 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 They're building. See, they're building, people. They are building in Jamaica. Now then, they are building, my people. They are building in Jamaica. So just know that building is going on here. A lot of building. Look at that house. And these are apartments. See? What happened is people with money, they build an apartment, rent it out, and live in them house so they don't have no drama. So that's how they do it. Yeah, man. I would love to go further. Jeez, man. Too close. So what happens with these neighborhoods, you can't just come in here and hang out. So you can see why the idea of crime is just, look at this beauty. Wow. Boy, them a kill me. Boy. Oh, what is that? Must be an apartment. Or a house like that. Like the people say, the one enter and see a ghost town. But I tell you this, for them grand picnic, you don't have to worry, because them alanya expensive and dear. So, on the decide what I do. You know, so if we're not broke in the bank, but looky. So if we're broke in the bank. Tell you so. That kind of building is different. Eat that lunch. I feel like I came around here already. Yes, sir. Construction happening. So you have a lot of apartment buildings, and that's how people live. Rent apartments for 22,000, and you're good. Them house. Yeah. So no ask me no. Jamaica what? Okay. Thought so. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. And nobody show you all of this. maybe a lot of the people are in foreign. That's why you don't see them around. So when you think that people don't build limos, I can understand why they're concerned with crime when they watch YouTube. But them of Hawkeye. No, this is Carbon Way. Now here's what I want to tell you. With the best camera system, you can use regular camera system. But a good camera system to also get, it's called Blink, B-L-N-K. It's a camera system, battery lasts for 2 years. It will text you with motion protection. And you could talk to it from abroad. So if somebody comes to your property, you can talk to it. It costs about $20-something. You get 6 of them, put them on your house. Blink, B-L-I-N-K. So Randy's informing you and educating you. B-L-I-N-K. So you can use your regular camera system, but with the Blink camera system, it notifies you, texts you abroad with the app, the Blink app. And then once it texts you, if somebody come in your yard, you could have a neighborhood watch camera network. So one house can, once they get a text, they could set up the entire neighborhood with Blink camera system with Wi-Fi. All right. So what I'm telling you is there's different ways to secure your property. Now, it says here that there is for sale 2 bedrooms, bathroom, patio. Right, so we take a picture of that. Look at that, look at the number. Property service for sale, so there's stuff for sale over there. So do what you have to do. Can't say I did not help you. Alright, now that's Avondale. I recommend that place. Alright, Miss Other People. Randy took care of you. It's Avondale Heights. Our drive time today. We're leaving Las Patrick. So near NCU, if you want to Google for Avondale Heights and see if they have some properties over there for sale, just Google NCU. That is the Caribbean University. And alright, we're gonna go to the ATM at NCU. Take care of yourself. Continue to do what you do. Enjoy your life. This is Jamaica Good Life. Subscribe, get the t-shirt, support the movement, support Randy. He's been doing it for a long time and I hope you enjoy. Take care of yourself, people.